Now we have one very interesting alternative method to study all these equations of tangent. In fact, the entire study of tangents and normal can be done using concepts of calculus. Here to start with, we have parabola y square is equal to 4ax. Consider this point P x1 comma y1 on it. Let's draw tangent line to parabola at this point. We want to find equation of this tangent. Now to find the equation of line, we need one more point on this line, or slope of the line. Let's find the slope of the line. Now recall the concepts of differentiation or derivative. You tell me what is the value of derivative dy by dx. What is the geometrical interpretation, or what is the geometry related to dy by dx? When the equation of curve is given, you differentiate it with respect to x, you get the value of dy by dx. What this dy by dx represent? The value of dy by dx is actually the slope of tangent to the curve at any point on it. That means here we will differentiate the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax with respect to x. So we have this equation, we are differentiating both sides with respect to x. Okay. Now derivative of y square with respect to x is 2y dy by dx, and the derivative of 4ax is 4a. 4a is constant, and the derivative of x with respect to x is 1. From this we get dy by dx is equal to 2a upon y. This value of dy by dx, which is 2a upon y, is in fact a slope of tangent to parabola at any point on it. You take different points on parabola, so we have different values of y, and 2a upon y is a value of that variable slope of the tangent. Okay, that means the slope of tangent at point P is 2a upon y1. I am here putting y is equal to y1. You just recall, we got the same slope in the previous discussion. So from the point slope form, the equation of tangent at point P is y minus y1 is equal to 2a upon y1 multiplied by x minus x1. Cross multiply with y1, we get y1 minus y1 square is equal to 2ax minus 2ax1. Now since point P x1 comma y1 lies on the curve, we have y1 square is equal to 4ax1. Put this value of y1 square in this equation, we get this equation. Okay, so we get y1 is equal to 2ax plus 2ax1, from which you take out 2a common, so equation of tangent is y1 is equal to 2a multiplied by x plus x1. This is the same equation which we got in the previous discussion. Now in this put x1 is equal to 80 square and y1 is equal to 280. So we get the equation of tangent as y multiplied by 280 is equal to 2a multiplied by x plus 80 square. Okay, you can cancel out a 2a from both sides, so we have ty is equal to x plus 80 square, which is the equation of tangent to this parabola at point P, whose parameter is t. So we have y is equal to 1 upon tx plus 80. the slope of this tangent is 1 upon t, which is equal to m. Putting this value, we get equation of tangent as y is equal to mx plus a by m. Here m is the slope of tangent. So here we have reverse method. We started with slope of the tangent, which is 2a upon y1, and we got the equation of tangent in terms of slope m. So when you want to find the equation of tangent, you can use calculus method also. We will see how to use these methods in the coming examples.